Friends, we have started chapter halogen derivatives. In that chapter, we have seen introduction and classification of halogen derivatives, different classification. Okay, today we are going to see methods of preparation. Okay, there are different methods of preparation. From that, today we are going to see first method. It is from alcohols and it is very easy process. From alcohols, we can synthesize halogen derivatives by using three methods. We will see one by one. Halogen acid, phosphorus halide, and thionyl chloride. See first introduction. The reactions of primary and secondary alcohol. First see what is meant by primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. What is the functional group of alcohol? It is ROH. Primary alcohol means the alcohol means OH group. It is attached to carbon, that carbon containing two hydrogen atoms. Secondary alcohol means the OH group which is attached to carbon containing only one hydrogen atom. And tertiary OH group which is attached to carbon, it does not contain any hydrogen. In this case, primary and secondary alcohols with HCl, they requires a catalyst and it is ZnCl2, anhydrous ZnCl2. And tertiary, they are highly reactive. It does not require any catalyst. We can take complete that reaction at room temperature. The order of reactivities of alcohol I have told you tertiary, secondary, primary, and this is the reactivity order. Means tertiary alcohols, these are more reactive than secondary, and secondary alcohols, these are more reactive than primary. The above methods are not applicable for preparation of aryl halides. We cannot synthesize aryl halides by using this method. Why? In aryl halides means there is a presence of benzene. It contains double bond characteristics, and the double bond it is very strong, so we cannot easily break that double bond. Therefore this technique we cannot use for aryl halides. Okay, now we are going to see our first method using halogen acid. First, understand what is meant by halogen acid. Halogen acids, their general formula is HX, where X is our halogen atom. Some examples like HCl, HBr, HI. These are called halogen acids. Okay, this is a very simple replacement reaction in which OH group from alcohol it is replaced by halogen atom. See, this is the general reaction in which ROH means our alcohol, when it is treated with halogen acid under suitable condition, we will see different conditions for different acid. It will form our halogen derivative, and another side product it is water. Now see the example. First example, we are going to treat alcohol with HCl. For HCl, it requires catalyst, it is anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay. Second reaction, when we treat alcohol with HBr, it requires different catalyst and it is NABr in H2SO4, and we have to give heat to that reaction. Then it will form our halogen derivative. And last one with HI, it requires another catalyst and it is sodium iodide and H3PO4. Okay, this is our first method by using halogen acid. Now second method is by using phosphorus halide. Okay, see the general formula, PX3 and px5. I will tell example. px3 means PCl5. px5 means PCl5. Okay. Now see, there is also replacement of OH group with halogen. Okay, similar. See, this is the general reaction. See what happens. Alcohol, when it is treated with trihalide, phosphorus trihalide, it will form halogen derivative and its side product it is H3PO3. Okay. This is the another reaction in which alcohol it is treated with phosphorus pentahalide. Phosphorus pentahalide. See the side products. There are different side products for PCl3 and for PCl5. Both have different side products. Now see the example. We are going to see example directly. See, this is the first example in which methyl alcohol or methanol, when it is treated with PCl5, it forms methyl chloride. And see the side product H3PO3. And another one reaction, methanol, when it is treated with PCl5, it forms our product methyl chloride, and side products are HCl and POCl3. See, this kind of reactions can be asked in exams. You have to keep in mind the different side products. You must have to balance the reaction. Now, we are going to see our third method using thionyl chloride. First, see the formula of thionyl chloride. It is SOCl2. Here also replacement of OH group, it is by halogen. Now, this method it is most preferred method than previous two methods. See why? Because the side products formed in this method, these are present in gaseous state, means we get very pure form products. In this method, we get very pure form products. See the general reaction. ROH, it is alcohol. When it is treated with thionyl chloride, SOX2, it is simply heated. It forms our halogen derivative, and see the two side products. SO2 it is in gaseous state and HX it is also in gaseous state. Therefore, there is a presence of upper arrow. Now see the example. When methanol, when it is treated with thionyl chloride, it forms methyl chloride plus SO2 and HCl. Both SO2 and HCl, these are in gaseous state. Therefore, we will get very pure product of methyl chloride. Okay, these are the three methods. First method by using halogen acid. Second method is by using phosphorus halide, and third method it is by thionyl chloride. Okay, next point we will see in our next section. Thank you.